In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use words and language to create great names. Specifically, we're talking about naming types. Let's give you some examples. Real words, these are typically single English words. They're loved by big companies. Apple, Slack, Boost, Compass. Misspellings, usually single English words that are spelled incorrectly on purpose. Lyft with a Y, Flickr without an E. Froot Loops, Xero, Google. Then you have compounds. These are two English words put together. Typically they're short words. Typically they're common words. Snapchat, Spindrift, Open Door, Microsoft, WeWork, WordPress are all great examples. You have phrases, stumble upon, habitat for humanity. In the book space, 5 love languages. You have LinkedIn, you have let go, all phrases. Then we have blends, taking two words and mushing them together. Group and coupon, create Groupon. Accent future, Accenture. Veritas, Latin for truth. Horizon, Verizon. Instant, Telegram, Instagram. Similarly, you have transmutations where you take one word and make it sound a little bit different. Zap becomes Zappos. Zoom becomes Zumba. Canvas becomes Canva. Curated becomes Curio. That's a Hilton hotel chain. Next we have abstract names. These sound nice but typically don't mean anything. Xerox, Kleenex. Moving on, we have acronyms. Adidas, all day I dream about sports. IBM. I forgot what it means. Jessica, what does IBM mean?
International Business Motors?
International Business Machines.
Machines.
And that's why acronyms typically aren't the best choice. People forget them. You also have another one where you take people's names and combine them. H&M is Hennes and Moritz. Another example is play on words. Inner Peace becomes Inner Peas. That's a fun name, right? Metaphors, Robinhood, Nike, Tesla. Using a concept to align with your business. Tesla stands for innovation. Poetic names, oftentimes rhyme and alliteration. Dunkin Donuts, LuluLemon, Piggly Wiggly. This and that names, Crate and Barrel, Abercrombie and Fitch, Cat and Jack. Finally, we have visual names. These are words, names, concepts that you can see when you say them out loud. Red Bull, you can see a Red Bull. Ice Mountain, Shell. As you can see, there's tons and tons of ways to create names. One of the biggest mistakes we see namers make is they get stuck in a rut. They'll just use one of these types of names. Make sure you do not do that. When you're trying to bring a brand to fruition, use all of the tools you have, use all of these types. Try and use these as brainstorming prompts. Can you make each brand come to life with many different types? That's going to get you a long way. Stick with us. We'll teach you more tips, tricks, and strategies for becoming a great namer.